No stranger himself to online sniping, selector Footah Hype busy trading slights with the icon. What do you have to say to Footah Hype, if anything, in response to
I know him as Spoonhead, I don't know him as Footah Hype. Okay?
What do you mean by spoonhead?
Then you see made him favorite take off him hat, make him take off him hat and you say if you see one big teaspoon.
Footah provoking an iconic response with mention of Chris Gayle buying a Bentley.
That don't make no sense, because at the end of the day we just purchased a 130,000 US dollar Benz in England. So vanity and those things means nothing to me. But at the end of the day, remember him tagged me and called my name 2 times before him talk about Bentley. So that don't add up.
Why does Marlon Samuels, the cricketer, feel the need to become involved in a verbal spat with a selector?
First time.
How does that embellish your
we
reputation?
Did the Insta boy. My reputation dealing with it is least. We did the Insta boy video, Aishan. You know anybody go on Aishan, him have something to say. So we did the Insta boy video, him have something to say, but really never have any time for him. Then him come again, him have something to say. This time around, the fake one get in trouble with a next female artist and them have a little go at each other. Him tag the both, him put up both of them picture and tag my name in it for the 3rd time. So I say, okay, strike 3. So I tell John Cherry, say, John Cherry, Spoonhead call my name again, and John Cherry said, bust him head with no warning and with no apology. So I had to go for it.